In this video, we're going to take a look at the table in Cars. So I'm going to double click to open it. So here across the top, we've got the different fields. And then along here, each of these is one record. A record is all the information about one thing on the database. I'm going to go into Design View now. So I'm on the Home tab and I'm going to go into Design View. In Design View, we've got the fields that we just saw along the top. All of these fields are here. So we've got the make, which is just text, the model, which is text. We've got the year, which is a number. We've got tax, which is yes or no. So let's just take a look at that one. So the tax is a tick box, which is yes or no. As you can see, these are text, this is number. This one is auto number, which means automatically every time we add a new record, it goes up by one number. So if I just show you here, it would go to 71. Now I don't actually want to do that, so I'm just going to press escape to get out of that. We've got the color, we've got the price, which is currency, and we've got the color, which is short text. Now you will have noticed that down the bottom here, I have lots of different boxes, fields that I can fill in, and they change depending on what I choose. So for example, here we've got required no, so that's not a required field, but some of the questions, it may be that it's required yes. So if we look under make, required yes, that means they have to fill out. You will have seen this online when you're filling out forms where it has an asterisk beside the ones that you have to fill in. It won't let you skip those ones. You've also got some validation rules. So if I skip down to price, we've got a validation rule, which is the price has to be greater than £200. And the text that pops up if you don't enter it is cars must be over £200. So this is the main setup of the table. We've also got something called a primary key. Up the top here I have this little picture of a key. A primary key uniquely identifies a record. Now what that means is that every time we add a new car, it's going to have a unique ID, which is just a number related to it. Now in real life, you can think about this as if it was a car, it would actually be the registration. Every car has a unique registration plate. Also, they have a chassis number. So on the body of the car, they etch in a unique number for that car. If you're thinking about a passport, every passport has a unique passport number. No two people in the country will have the same passport number. And the reason we do this is it makes it much easier to find the correct record if it's unique. So for example, if it was a passport, we'll probably have lots of people with the same first names and surnames. So we could have lots of John Smiths in the country with passports. So we have to uniquely identify those people. So that's the basics of the table. Again, this is design view, and then we've got data sheet view in here as well.